We're gonna get our kick from this to this. If you feel that your kick is still weak, you shouldn't reach for more compression. What you should use instead is tension. One of the easiest ways to do this is with a reverse sound just before the kick. Let's break it down. Some good sounds as a starting point are, for instance, a clap, a reverb tail, a snare drum, a hi-hat. You take that sound and then you reverse it. As you can see here, I've loaded a hi-hat. Let's trigger the hi-hat. Let's convert the hi-hat to audio now. And let's do the same thing for our kick. Let's reverse the sound. And now let's put the sound just before the kick, not on the grid, right before it. So it swells into the kick. Let's see how it sounds. It's a bit too loud and a bit too bright for my taste, so let's address it. I'm now getting rid of the trash in the lows and a little bit of the highs, which are really sharp. And of course, you can try some micro timing changes to see how it fits better. And now, all you have to do is consolidate it, and this will make it easy to copy it before your other kicks. Now let's listen to the end result, which is a lot more impactful than what we had before. You see, now sounds a lot weaker. And that's it. I hope this will help you make your kicks snap harder when you need to.